Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can take a long screenshot of a chat in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write comments under this video. So, let us get started with you. Please open the App Store application on your iPhone to begin with. Here you will need to download one app. To do that, you see the word Zeta in the search bar and click on Zeta Stitch. Go to this app, click Save here. Once the app will be downloaded, tap Open, accept all the terms and conditions, and also give this app access to your gallery. After that, you can exit from App Store, go to Phone Settings on your iPhone, and then go to Control Center. Here, friends, you will need to make sure that a shortcut like screen recording, it is added to your shortcuts. If it is not added, then scroll down to the bottom. Here's the second menu. Where the shortcuts are not added, find the screen record there and click on the green plus sign next to it. After that, friends, exit the settings, go to the WhatsApp app, go to the section called Chats, and in Chats, go to the person you're chatting with, where you need to take this big screenshot of the whole chat. Next, swipe from the right side from top to bottom, click on Screen Capture, and in 3 seconds you'll have a screen recording. Now swipe up from the bottom and scroll through your correspondence, but not too fast. When you are done flipping through your correspondence, also swipe from the right side, top to bottom, and finish the screen recording. After that, friends, exit the WhatsApp app, go further into Zeta Stitch. You will automatically be taken to the screen recording you just made. This is where you'll need to crop it right here at the bottom. Here's these blue borders to transpose, both at the beginning and at the end. When you're done with that, click Next on the top right-hand side. Wait for your screenshot to load completely, and click Save, also on the right-hand side at the top. After that, your long screenshot will be saved. And from the Zeta Stitch app itself, you can send it, for example, to some of your friends, to some messenger, or to a social network. And you can also delete the source, that is the screen recording. And you can also go to the gallery, where you can save a long screenshot like this, and you can zoom in to see the information on it, and then you can do what you need to do with it. This is how you can take a long screenshot of a chat in WhatsApp on your iPhone. I really hope this app has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.